Okay, just wanting to show you a little bit about the rain. This is looking out. Here's our back. I'm from the Lanai. This is our little back door here, right? Showing you this before. I just want to show you, like, this is just, these are my orchids, never my orchids. They're still doing very well. But look at all this rain. It's been raining. I have China on my desk. Okay, it's been raining for, oh, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. Yeah, that's actually doing fine. Everything's getting very green, but I just wanted you to see the water. Look at this water. This is just the standing water on the grass. Normally this stuff actually goes away pretty quickly, but that's pretty amazing. Is that a pause? No. Okay. Alright, okay, here's some more. I wonder if I can figure out how to get closer. Oops, sorry. Zoom. There we go, zooming in. See that? There. That's like a little moat now. I love my little camera. Alright. However, where we are, this is the outside again. We're inside. And so here we are. This is the, let's see, I'll show you some stuff. We're out in my lanai right now. There we go. Pretty. And we've got we have, of course, there's China. Hello, China. So we are actually inside, even though it's very rainy outside. So I'm just going to give you a quick little version of what it looks like on the inside of my lanai. It's all covered, screened in. It's just awesome. It's wonderful. I'm very comfortable. There you go. All right. So it doesn't matter that it's raining at all. Can you hear the rain? Okay, I guess we're going to go back inside now. Here we are in my living room. Yes, we go. We'll do another little bonanza tour sometime here real soon. But I just had to make a little oh, there's China again. China likes to be in movies. Hello, China. Oh, I see. China's looking down. And what she's looking at is the toy. Okay. Ha ha ha. See, there's the toy. And there's the cat. Okay, that's it. There's Simba. Hello, Simba. What are you doing?